Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, sliding tall beer case, and this is a refrigerator model. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall depth about like 28.5 inches deep. And the overall height, there will be about like 34 inches tall. And the overall length, they are about like 79.5 inches long. And as you can see, the units at the front, we're having two convenience handles here, and they can just happen to open the beer. And we're looking down the units, we're having the controllers right here, and the switchers come with it. This is sliding top units come with 3 individual slidings, and also having the lockers for each of the door. And we can, when I open it, and we can see they have a plenty space inner side. And let's come through to see the inner side dimensions. As you can see, the inner side dimensions, we having before the measurements, we having the information stickers on the side. They come in with the ETL sanitations and the cost sheets and the fast service serial numbers on it. And they have dividers inside of the units. And actually, you can adjust it by the different space. Now let's take a look at the sizes. Entirely unit depth about like almost like 25.5 inches deep. For the inner side length, entirely about like 74.5 inches long. And they are about like 23 inches for the width. They have a small stage on this side. It's mounted to the compressor at the bottom. For the stage, they are about like almost like 8.5 inches tall. This is all the information about our products. And if you have more questions, just contact with us. Thank you for watching the videos.